What is property tax? A property tax is a tax that property owner must pay to the local government. The amount is based on the value of their property. In simple terms, it's a tax change on real estate such as house, shop and land. That means the more valuable your property is, the higher the tax you need to pay. Now, let's look at the type of property tax. The first one is assessment tax. This tax, also known as cukai taksiran or cukai pintu, it's collected by the local authority. Property owners have to pay it regularly to help fund local service like waste collection and maintenance. Next, we have the land tax or cukai tanah. This is an annual tax charged by the state government on landowner. The amount depends on the type and location of the land. Lastly, there is the stamp duty. This tax is paid when a property is bought or sold. It's based on the property's purchase price and is a mandatory part of the transaction. Property tax is mainly used to fund the development and upkeep the local infrastructure. These include activities like area cleaning, maintenance, and upgrade. It also provides money for local government to build, maintain, and improve community facilities and services, such as park, road, and public space.
Property tax is collected by local authorities pihak berketempatan. They are responsible for managing and maintaining local services such as waste collection, street lighting, drainage, and public facilities. Second example of local authorities: DBKL for properties within Kuala Lumpur, MBPJ Majlis Bandaraya Petaling Jaya for Petaling Jaya area, MBI Majlis Bandaraya Ipoh for properties in Ipoh. Other local council depending on the district or state. Number 3, purpose of collection. The revenue is used to improve local infrastructure and community service. Who pay the property tax? All property owners are required to pay. This included anyone who owns lands or building. Categories of payers: individual homeowner, people who own residential properties, companies or organizations thus owning commercial or industrial building, property developer who hold ownership of underdeveloped land or completed buildings. Responsibility of payment: the owner of the property at the time tax is due must pay it regardlessly of whether the property is occupied or vacant. Property tax is collected by local authorities pihak berketempatan. They are responsible for managing and maintaining local services such as waste collection, street lighting, drainage, and public facilities. Second example of local authorities: DBKL for properties within Kuala Lumpur, MBPJ Majlis Bandaraya Petaling Jaya for Petaling Jaya area, MBI Majlis Bandaraya Ipoh for properties in Ipoh. Other local council depending on the district or state. Number 3, purpose of collection. The revenue is used to improve local infrastructure and community service. Who pay the property tax? All property owners. Payment schedule and the frequency. Frequency property tax is paid twice a year. Tax period breakdown: the 2 halves cover. First half January to June. Second half July to December. Key due dates to remember: first half payment 28 February, second half payment 31 August. Why twice a year? For property owner, paying twice a year is done to make it easier for property owner to pay. It breaks down to the lump sum. For local council, the method provides local council with continuous cash flow needed to maintain essential public services. Penalty and important reminder: it's how to avoid trouble. Penalty for late payment: late payment will be subject to a 10% penalty.
Next, we go to where does property tax apply. Property tax apply all over Malaysia. Every property that is located within the boundary of local authorities such as DBKL, MBPJ, MBSA or MBI must pay property tax. Both urban and rural area are included, but the tax may be different. Usually, property in city area have a higher tax rate compared to rural one. For the type of property, there are 4 main categories. For the first one, we have residential. This include houses, apartment and condominium. Second, commercial, shop, office and malls. For the third one, industrial like factory and warehouse. And lastly, vacant land, which means undeveloped land that is still within a local authority area. Last but not least, how is property tax calculated? The formula for property tax is simple. Property tax equal to annual value times tax rate. The annual value estimates yearly rental income your property can earn, while the tax rate is a percentage that depends on the local authority and the type of property such as residential or commercial. For payment, property owner will receive a tax bill from the local authority. You can pay it online through website like DBKL, MBSA or MBI. You can also pay at a counter such as the council, post office or selected bank. Another convenient option is using mobile apps like MPPJ Smart Selangor and DBKL ESA. Usually the payment made in once or twice a year, depend on the local rule.